What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, this is John, Backwoods Off-Road and Overlanding. And as you see, we're in a little bit different scenery today in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this tonight. And just sitting here watching the tube, guys. It's cold as shit outside, and thinking about getting ready for moto camping, looking into some gear, and just had a random thought come to mind, guys. And I wanted to let you guys know, you guys out there have looking into getting into moto camping and getting your bikes out there exploring. It's cold. It's colder than a well digger's ass down here in Georgia. We got a lot of snow up North Georgia. I doubt we'll get any snow down here, but it's down to 30s tonight. And just one thing here, a good example of this weather is, practice your skills every chance you get, guys. So I just figured this would be some nice little content for you guys, something to think about. And I'll show you what I got going on here. And we'll roll our intro real quick, and then we'll dig into this. Guys, here we go. Got my wood burning stove here, fireplace insert. Man, guys, this thing right here, which of course I've got 6-inch studded walls, foam insulation. My house is very well insulated, but this sucker right here will crank this house up to 76 degrees. But like I said, practice your skills whenever you get a chance. So here we're building a log cabin. I've already got some kindling in there, and we're getting some more kindling here going. I can't keep the freaking kitty from playing with it, so we've already got a good bit of kindling here, guys. So this is my just little old pocket knife here, and he's sharpened up. Get us a nice little kindling going. We're gonna get this fire going. So, word of advice, don't rely on a Bic. It's never gonna work when you absolutely freaking need it to, guys. Man, I've been a smoker for too freaking long, and I'll tell you, when you need a lighter, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be too cold. The flint's gonna break. It's gonna run out of fuel. Today's video is brought to you by, throwing this back out there, guys. Can you see that? I got my Bigfoot Bushcraft. Got my Bigfoot Bushcraft fire plugs here, guys. Man, I threw a video out here on these guys before, man. They got some awesome stuff, and this is actually what I've been using to start my fires here. And this is probably plenty of kindling here. But, and I'm gonna throw a link down below to their website, guys. And of course, just like the last video, I have got a discount code to these guys. And I'm gonna show you how nice we're gonna get this fire going here in just a second. We wanna get this plug nice and exposed there in the center. We'll see. I might have to cut it open. But typically I would just throw a lighter to this, but we're gonna, heed my own advice here and practice your skills every chance. No, kitty. Sorry, I got a house full of freaking cats, guys. All right, let's see here. There we go. I missed it on the first strike. So I'm gonna throw some kindling. Let's get some of this smaller stuff. Got a few feather sticks on the bottom. Don't smother it, don't smother it.
Probably should have kept that open. There she goes, she's coming up, guys.
Let's get in here. Nice log cabin, guys. Man, I love the log cabin here, especially on my wood stove, because we'll get it stacked up And it really, I'm gonna throw this little one right here for shits and giggles. Man, it really, that log cabin, it just really makes some nice coals. It settles down, then you can throw some bigger logs on there. So I'm gonna let this right here go for just a minute. Yeah, man, look at that. Really took one strike, guys. I missed it. I missed it on the first one, and that's really the point. You know, the point of this video, guys, is, man, practice your skills every chance you get, man. Just because you're inside don't mean you need to wrap up newspaper and pull out your lighter and douse it with lighter fluid, guys. I mean, this is a perfect example. A little bit of oxygen. Man, look at her. She's burning good. Man, thank you, Bigfoot Bushcraft, guys. Man, they got some awesome products, guys. I got to get some more stuff, man. And hopefully here soon, you know, you guys know I'm working on toolkits. I'm working on getting some things together. So hopefully here soon in the next month or so, you'll see these in some of our kits. I'm gonna make some adventure kits as well. I won't be going with this. It's a little too bulky for us out and riding. But now, man, if you go check out their website, guys, they make a nice, very slim, like slide top little slim case to hold these plugs, which is really awesome. And just to give you guys another look how good that fire's going. Man, they're ferro rod. Man, that thing is a beast, man. It's big as my finger, guys. I think it will last forever. Look at that fire going good. Can't beat that, guys. Can't beat it. And then now we get to kick back. Of course, I've got a fire stove with a flipping thermostat, so I've got to burn one good fire for this thing to kick on. But we can sit back now, watch the tube, turn the lights off, enjoy the tube, enjoy the youngins playing in the background, and practice our skills, guys. Any chance you get, practice your skills. When you're out in the real world, you're moto camping for your first time, you're not going to get frustrated, and you really, practice makes perfect, guys. So the more you can do it, man, the better you're going to be when you need to have it. So you guys up there in North Georgia right now that's not used to that snow, and you're cold as shit, and you ain't threw a fire log in your fireplace in freaking 5 years, and you're not a smoker, you don't have a lighter, what the hell are you doing? I mean, you're probably Googling right now, how do I make a fire in my fireplace? So take advantage of it, practice your skill, guys. And that's all I've got here, and I'm sure this video went way too flipping long, but big shout out to Bigfoot Bushcraft. I still got that discount code for you guys. It's Backwoods, so I'll leave a link to the website down below. And keep on riding, guys. Moto camping coming.